So, hi dear Taurus, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is our journal mid-monthly reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of December 2024. This is the last reading of this year. This kind of reading. I'm going to tap into recent past, current energies, and near future, and we will see the guidance as usual, starting with the overall energy for this remaining days. And this is not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. And if it's not resonating, then I guess it's not your story, honey. Now if you want to learn from me, you can purchase my course. The link is in the description box. You can check out my website actually for workshop, for courses, for one-on-one healing sessions and personal readings. It's open for all, like now for India people as well and out of India as well. You can just check out the website and purchase the thing that you want, service. And if you have any query or any doubt, you can mail me for the same on tarotanjali@gmail.com. My team will reply for sure. Now let's see for Taurus. Taurus, the overall energy for you guys for the rest of the month of December 2024 is, let's see. We have the Queen of Cups. It's like you and you. Self-love, self-care, self-healing. A lot of love, compassionate, nurturing, and caring kind of energy towards yourself. And then it's going to spread outside as well. It's like having universal love, universal blessings, and ending this year with this energy of kind, compassionate, and loving and forgiving kind of energy. Very good, Taurus. Very good. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. Ten of Pentacles, you were supremely focused on money, job, career, financial stability, and happiness of family or people who are like family to you, right? In the recent past. In the current situation, we have the Page of Pentacles, start of a brand new beginning in some area of your life. It's like a start of a brand new beginning in some area of your life related to money, job, career, related to some kind of financial stability, starting something, a brand new chapter. Okay, the year end with a Knight of Wands. So a lot of passion, a lot of this energy of let's do this, let's do that, let's go there, let's go there. Okay, a lot of energy of fiery energy actually. Okay, let's clarify these cards. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles in the recent past for you guys, Taurus. We have the Fool card, the Two of Pentacles, the Two of Cups. Okay, so you were trying to take risk in a situation where you were not sure whether that situation is good for you or not, but you were trying to make something work out in a beautiful way, in a beautiful manner, something that is going to last longer, something that is going to be maybe be there for you maybe for the rest of your life kind of a deal. So you were taking a risk in a direction where you felt you can get something good out of that. Maybe it was a business deal, maybe it was a relationship, maybe it was something that you never tried, maybe like totally different career path or whatever it was, but you were quite sure that you were going to enjoy the path, you are going to enjoy the path, and you were going in that direction knowing that it might or might not work out, right? Page of Pentacles in the current situation, starting something. Okay, a brand new chapter. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles here. We have the Ten of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Three of Cups. You're no longer interested in creating something serious out of something that is kind of making you happy at the time being, in the present moment. It's like you are trying your best to live in the present moment as much as you can. It's a lifestyle that you are trying to achieve right now, that you are trying to start right now, a brand new beginning, a brand new lifestyle where you are not taking people, things, situations seriously or personally. You are just trying to enjoy the present moment as much as you can, and you are making it a goal of your life, Taurus, to enjoy your life to the fullest. Everything else, everyone else is going to follow if they have to. You don't have to change your anything in order to achieve this happiness. This is what you are trying to right now do right now. I'm doing it from quite a long time now, so I can understand what it feels like. It feels like heaven. By the end of this year, we have this year 2024 is gone. I'm getting all emotional about it. Knight of Wands, a lot of passion, a lot of passionate energies, a lot of fun loving energies, a lot of fire. Let me clarify the Knight of Wands. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Knight of Swords. I do see you loosening up. It's like You putting in the effort and energy in creating something stable for your life, but at the same time cutting this arrogance, cutting this attitude, cutting this energy of being very strict about it, being cold and off and detached all the time, behaving like, okay, you have the like responsibility of the whole universe on you. No, you are going to be in this energy of, okay, let's loosen up, let's enjoy life to the fullest. It's not a serious thing to deal with. So basically, your whole motto in this by the end of this month is going to be not to take life, people, situation, things too seriously. Loosen up and enjoy. Way. Not a typical Taurus behavior, but you're doing it anyway. It's making me quite happy. Let's see the guidance for you guys. It's like enjoying life to the fullest, right? Starting to. You're coming there. You're learning it. Let's see the guidance for you guys. World card. This is going to be a completion of a cycle for you guys. This is going to be a brand new chapter opening up for you, but make sure you are going to finish all the chapters before you are going to jump to the new book. Yeah, completion of a cycle is going to be completed only when you are going to finish all the unfinished business from the previous books, from the previous chapters, so that you can start a new book with a fresh energy, with a clean slate. Okay, honey, so this is what I have for you. Hope this helps, and God bless you. Namaste.